In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Outlook emails. Clear, well-formatted emails are easier to read, more professional, and help your message stand out. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can use these tips right away. Start by composing a new email or replying to one. Look for the formatting toolbar, which is usually a row of icons located at the top or sometimes at the bottom of the message window. If you don't see it immediately, click into the message body and it should appear. This toolbar is your control center for styling text. To add emphasis, use bold. Highlight the words you want to emphasize and press Ctrl+B, or click the bold button on the toolbar. Bold is perfect for headings, names of documents, or key points you don't want your reader to miss. For a more subtle emphasis, use italics. Select your text and press Ctrl+I, or click the italic button. Italics work well for titles of books or articles, or when you want a softer stress on a phrase without making it too strong. Underline can help draw attention to terms or deadlines. Select the text and press Ctrl+U, or use the underline button. Use it sparingly though, since underlined text can sometimes be confused with hyperlinks. Strike through is helpful when you want to show edits or mark something as no longer relevant while keeping it visible for context. Look for the strike-through option on the toolbar, usually represented by letters with a line through them, and apply it to the selected text. To control the overall look, adjust your font style, size, and color. Choose a clean, professional font. Keep sizes readable, and use color mainly for emphasis or section headings. Aim for strong contrast so your text is easy to read on any screen, and be consistent throughout the email. When you need structure, add bulleted or numbered lists. Click the bullet or numbering icon, type your first